Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Beginners often find it confusing to differentiate between another, others, the other, and the others. Here's an explanation to clarify their usage.
I have two brothers. One brother is in Tokyo. The other brother is in Bangkok. I have two brothers. One is in Tokyo. The other is in Bangkok. My friend has three brothers. One brother is in Manila. Another brother is in Singapore. The other brother is in Jakarta. My friend has three brothers. One is in Manila. Another is in Singapore. The other is in Jakarta. Stephen has three brothers. One brother is a doctor. The other brothers are a pilot and a policeman. Or Stephen has three brothers. One is a doctor. The others are a pilot and a policeman. Susie has four sisters. One sister is a teacher. Other sisters are nurses. The other sister is a secretary, or Susie has four sisters. One is a teacher. Others are nurses. The other is a secretary. Practice is the key to mastery. Every effort, no matter how small, gets you closer to perfection. Keep going. Your dedication will pay off. Latihan adalah kunci menuju penguasaan keterampilan berbahasa. Setiap usaha, sekecil apapun, membawa Anda lebih dekat ke kesempurnaan. Teruslah maju, dedikasi Anda akan membuahkan hasil. Salam dari Pak Budi.